Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Craft. This is part 2. We have our ceramic thing. We've been already painting it, so we're just going to show you. We painted a butterfly. It's so beautiful. Look how it came up. It's so beautiful. And then the green is green, and there's a little ladybug there. We're going to do the sun in the video next. And as you can see, if you were in another video, you would notice that we put gems and tiles in there. And we were making a stepping stone, and we're back in the stepping stone, and it's awesome. So this is part 2, remember, and we're doing it. So we're going to paint the sun, right, May? Yep. This is May. Say hi. Hi, guys. And we're going to be painting the sun, and I'll do some of my crazy designs on it. Oh, it's bright. So, if you like artsy crafts, we're going to be doing a lot of artsy crafts on our channel. We're doing reborn videos, One Direction covers, and all that kind of stuff that you guys would like. Crafty crafts, DIY stuff, a lot of fun. And the sun is beautiful. As we can see, we have the butterfly painted, as you can see closer, orange paint and blue. We have the little ladybug. And like I said, we're going to be doing our crazy designs on it next. It's going to be lots of fun.
What do purple zigzags all across around it?
Okay, so you want me to paint?
Yeah.
Can you hold the camera? Thank you. Make sure you show all of it. Yeah, got it. Harder than it looks to paint. I'm just going to do stripes, okay, because that's just easier. I can do zigzags on a flat surface. So you can see the stripes are coming along really well. Coming back to our starting point. There's our zigzaggedy round, and we're going to do like a little doodles on the surface. And it looks really good. Okay, so we're going to do the back, but I don't know how to paint it's going to be. The green's almost already dry, like we just did this. So what kind of paint should we use?
Draw a rainbow on the back.
Oh, that's a good idea. Sun and rainbow. Now draw some rain. So it's kind of like sunny on the side and rainy on the side. I love that idea. Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold it like this, okay? That way I have plenty of room, and the paint's not kind of getting. See if you guys can see. The paint's not getting on that, but we have this side. So we're gonna paint that rainbow. We have ever colored a rainbow, huh? Let me wipe purple paint off. In fact, I'm gonna go wash off the paintbrush. You talk about our channel.
Guys, remember to like and subscribe, and you can get more videos like this.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Quick. And we're gonna do our rainbow back with our paintbrush. Okay, I have the red paint open. I'm ready to do it. Isn't that gorgeous? And what color comes next in the rainbow? Orange, that's correct. Orange comes next in the rainbow. And we're going to do orange. Try out this. We should have had a cup of water, don't you think? We were not prepared. Alright, I'm going to do the orange next. It's kind of hard rainbow to draw because it's still kind of bumpy over here. It's where we mixed it. If you watched in the first video, it was kind of mixing. And it looked a lot like cake mix. That's my, may note that's my new face.
Only it wasn't good.
Yeah. There we go. We got a little paint on the jewel. That's perfect. And now we're going to do yellow and seriously, it looks so gorgeous. Oh, got it. Okay, we're starting at yellow.
Why don't you stop at the jewel and then go on the other side again?
That's what I was going to do. Next, we're going to do green. The jewel's kind of in there, but it's kind of painted over a tiny bit. So it's kind of sparkling, but it's kind of like not. We'll probably wipe it off before it dries, so it doesn't get like kind of more messy than usual. There we go, that's gorgeous. And now, doing blue. We have to add the raindrops, that's right. Isn't that so pretty? And now we're going to do purple. Our last color, and then we'll end the video for you. Our purple tile is over here as well, so I won't paint over the yellow tile. I'll just go kind of over. Okay. And there our rainbow is finished. See you next time, guys. But hold on. See you next time, guys, on Crafty Crafts. And remember to, yeah, you get the point.